Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video, I'll share with you how to open an Amazon account in 4 steps. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on Amazon for 21 years. I'm the creator of Dropship formula. So let's launch straight into it. For this demonstration, I'll open an Amazon account in Australia. However, opening an Amazon account in other countries, it's a very similar process. From the Amazon homepage, mouse over where it says sign in on the top right hand corner and then click on new customer, start here. Now enter your name, email address and password, and note that you need to enter your password twice to verify that the password you entered is correct. Once you've entered those details, click the verify email button and you should see a page like this one. That's it, well done. You've successfully opened an Amazon account. This new Amazon account will allow you to purchase items from Amazon, but not sell items on Amazon. If you want to also sell items on Amazon, you need to open an Amazon Seller Central account. If you do want to open an Amazon Seller Central account, make sure you watch this video up here. That's all for this week. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.